Okay, beautiful people. Today on the Fitzy cooking show, we're doing Escovish fish with potatoes. Well, I'm gonna basically do a potato salad with these potatoes today. So we're keeping it simple for this Sunday. Escovish fish and potato salad. This fish is basically a amberjack. I'm gonna see how best it works. Fish season up with only dry season only. Alright, so that's basically all-purpose season, black pepper, and another season. I don't remember exactly the name of it. Alright, get the oil well hot. Ensure that the oil is well hot. Also, there is a potato already cut up, so we're gonna pre-cook it. This is basically the garnish for the fish. You have the bell pepper, red, yellow, and green, a few carrots, and onion, and scotch bonnet pepper. Alright? The garnish for the fish. Alright, there you go. The fish is right, so we're going to go and prepare the garnish. This is how you basically prepare the garnish. Just a little bit of oil, then you add vinegar to it. Alright? Vinegar basically give it that aroma, that special taste to it. Alright? You have it there simmer down for about 2 to 3 minutes. You basically pour the garnish on it, that the season and everything, everything can basically come together. Alright? So I'm gonna do finish up the pasta and then the salad, and then I do the sharing. Here you go, guys, the Sunday cooking special. My mom told me, call me this morning and tell me take it light, so I'm going to the light. All right, what we have here, we have our potato salad, our Escovish fish, and fried plantain. All right, we're taking it light on a Sunday. All right. Hope you enjoy my cooking show today. Enjoy the rest of your evening. Thank you, guys.